Wait. I'm eating. Okay, now let's go and have some eggs. Oh my god! Oh my god! Beluga! Double hat. Kitty! Okay. Beluga. Again? Dude, we keep getting belugas. Wait, I'm ready to take your phone. Okay guys, I'm back and we'll have some more egg. Go. Beep. Look at Kitsy. Inventory full. Okay. Let's go. So, we got another one of the question markets. Question mark. Oh yeah, okay. We got 2 of them so far. I hatched 3. So yeah, I hatched 3, but I accidentally deleted 1. So yeah, I have to be careful from now on. Let's go. This is gonna be like 4-minute long video. Don't you ask me like I want you, baby. Don't you let's go Oh, another shark. Let's go. Kitty! Inventory is full. I'll dance with my hands on my head. My inventory is almost filled to the brim with these pets. We must keep going. Oh. Pew. I've got like 10 belugas so far. That's amazing. I keep singing. Let's go. Come on, try that. Give me question mark. Okay, we got nothing in this one. Oh, it's 4 minutes now.